Hi folks, welcome to Just Chevy Trucks. We are checking out a 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This truck is stock number 171069. We're gonna keep this video short. We got most of the nose on here, but we're missing quite a bit. But what this truck has to offer us is a 300 horsepower LQ4 6-liter engine. This is aluminum head, fly-by-wire throttle body. We can get right into the coach. You can hear how quiet this engine is. So let's get inside. We'll check out some vitals. Nice dented door. Nice. Alright. How do we get in this bad boy? Door is slammed.
Let me help you.
We got our own personal Vanna White here to help open the door. Alright. Seats are missing already out of this. That's okay. We're going to get right in here. What we want to do is check out the mileage on this engine. Folks, look at that. Only 127. Low mileage. We got awesome oil pressure. Getting up to temperature. We'll give her a couple of revs. Hear how she sounds. Very responsive LQ4 engine. Give us a call here at Just Chevy Trucks. Our telephone number 207-457-5500. Thank you. Have a nice day.